In 3 seconds, the universe grew 9 million kilometers. It's rapidly expanding. And won't, not even worse. Does universe have an edge? Scientists say yes, but you'll never reach it. Boundary is time's end. Bang light from 13.8 billion years ago marks the limit. Beyond that light, no one knows. Void, infinity, or 10-5, terrifying number. All atoms in the universe, as zeros can't finish, compress 13.8 billion years into 1 year. Humans arrive last 14 seconds. In 14 seconds, we made language, built cities, reached the moon. The universe never blinked, unconcerned. How big is space? Let's start with Earth. 12,742 kilometers wide. 45 flight hours shrink Earth to a marble. The Sun is a 3-story building 2 streets away, holding 1.3 million. Important on Earth. Before the Sun, Earth's less than sand. Relax. It's Sun's huge, right? Reaching Jupiter's edge takes 30,000 years. Back then humans painted solar system versus Milky Way. 100,000 light years wide, holding 400 billion stars. Count 1 per second from birth. Still not 1/10. Our sun is a playing star among 400 billion. Out on the Orion Arm's edge. If Milky Way's city, solar systems ignored suburb shack, is the Milky Way biggest? Not close. Nearby, Andromeda is larger, twice its width, with 1 trillion Those 2 galaxies, plus 50 plus dwarfs form the local group. 10 million light years wide, right? But the local group is a Pacific drop in space. Beyond local group, Virgo 110 million Li. Laniakea 520 million. 100,000 galaxies. Beyond Laniakea is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, largest known today. 10 billion light years long, spanning a 10th observable universe. 93 billion light year diameter. 2 trillion galaxies. All Earth's beach and desert sand combined totals about 75 quintillion grains. Yet the universe holds over 10,000 times 93 billion light years. Only how big is the universe? Scientists say 250 multiplied by observable. We see only under 0.5. The other 99.5% stays unreachable. Not our telescopes, but light too slow. Its photons never reach Earth. Now you know. Universe so vast. Words. Imagination. Absurdly vast universe. Earth's not even dust. You're dust on dust. Yet this dust holds a phone. Learning. Did you know? Across 2T galaxies, only Earth has proven life. Tiny, precious. The universe matters not in size, but that tiny humans stubbornly try to measure it.